You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words, as well as how to say more confusing vocabulary. There are many mispronounced in English, some of the most difficult ones, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Baccalaureate. Baccalaureate. Stress on that third law syllable. Baccalaureate. Baccalaureate. And now you know it's easy, right? More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Like this video if you found it useful. Thanks for your support, it helps me immensely. And thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.